Here's a motivational story for you. The Little Spark Within. In a small village nestled between two great mountains, there lived a young girl named Aki. She grew up in a humble home, surrounded by lush forests and winding streams. Aki's life was simple, yet her dreams were vast. One day, while wandering through the forest, Aki stumbled upon a small, flickering flame. It danced in the darkness, casting shadows on the trees. Intrigued, she approached the spark and felt an unexpected surge of energy. A wise old sage appeared beside her, saying, "This spark within the flame represents the fire that burns within you. It's the spark of potential, waiting to be fanned into a blazing inferno." Aki's curiosity was piqued. She asked, "How do I nurture this spark?" The sage replied, "Three elements will fuel your journey: belief, resilience, and passion. Believe in yourself, even when darkness surrounds you. Resilience will carry you through life's turbulent winds. Passion will fan the flames, illuminating your path." Aki took the sage's words to heart. She began to cultivate her spark. She practiced self-affirmations, kindling her belief. She faced challenges head-on, forging resilience. She pursued her love for art, unleashing her passion. As Aki's spark grew, its warmth touched those around her. Her paintings inspired villagers to see beauty in everyday life. Her courage motivated others to chase their dreams. Years passed, and Aki's flame became a beacon, guiding generations. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the mountains, Aki returned to the forest. The wise old sage awaited her, smiling. "You've become the spark that ignites others," he said. "Remember, your journey may begin in darkness, but with persistence and determination, your light will illuminate the world. You too possess a spark within. Fan your flame with self-belief, resilience, passion. Unleash your inner light and watch the world transform around you." Would you like another motivational story?